If you want to have a full understanding of today's topic, watch our previous mathematics videos. Today we're going to have a discussion on prime factors. So what are these prime factors? If we get any positive integer, so prime factors of it are the numbers that when you multiply them, they will give you exact value as that positive integer. It sounds complicated. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's assume you have 60 as our positive integer. So if you want to find out its prime factors, you have to take, okay, what are the values that when you multiply them together, you can get exactly 60. You see, we have 5 times 12, which will give you 60, and also have 6 times 10 to also give you 60. So now go ahead. Since this 5, there is nothing, it doesn't have any prime factors because there's nothing you can multiply. There are no two values that you can multiply them and get the answer as 5. But in terms of for 12, we have other prime factors here, because you can multiply 3 by 4 to get 12, right? And then you can also multiply 2 by 2 to get what? To get 4. So and the end numbers are what you will be recording as the prime factors. The end of the branch. This you can't write this because it has other factors. You can't write this because it has other factors. But the end of the result, which you can't find any other prime factor apart from them, they are the factors. So from here we have 2, 2, 3, and 5 as the prime factors of 60. You can even write it in indices form. That is 2 raised to the power 2, 3, and 5 are the prime factors for 60. That's when you use 5 times 12. So let's check if we now try to use 6 times 10. We get the same answer, but let's check. So here, do you have any two values that when you multiply we get exactly 6? I think we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, when you multiply them, I think you will get 6. And then there is no other factors here. And for 10, I think we have 2 and then 5. And you can't go further to find any other two values that when you multiply them together we get exactly 2, or when you multiply them together we get exactly 5. So and I told you all the numbers at the end of this branch are the prime factors. So here we have 2, 3, 2, 5. So meaning we have 2, 3, 2, 5. And when you rearrange them, you have 2, 2, 3, 5. And you can even write it in indices form. That is 2 square, 3, and then 5. So I mean this is the same thing as this. So no matter how you manipulate it, at the end of the day, we get the same answer. So these are prime factors. If you want to watch other videos related to mathematics, you can go directly to our website www.drkamalmb.com. Thank you.